We're in for a muggy night before storms arrive to mid-Missouri. I'm tracking our next round of rain and storms moving in well after midnight, with temperatures tonight falling down to about 71. There is a threat we could see some heavy rainfall and potentially some isolated gusty winds with some of these storms, especially into tomorrow morning. We could end up with 1 to 2 inches of rainfall with this batch that's off to our north. Those storms likely not going to be severe overall, but be watching for some heavy downpours as they track in our direction. Farther south, we have a front that's draped across southwest Missouri, and that's where we could see a little bit more development into tomorrow evening. Here's what it looks like out the door tomorrow morning. It's definitely going to be a wet start to the weekend for at least the northern half of the area. Showers and storms will continue to push to the southeast. By around lunchtime, we'll have a bit of a break into the afternoon. But by evening, there's a possibility we could see some more development along that front, especially as we approach about 6 or 7 o'clock. A couple of those storms could bring some heavy rain and isolated gusty winds, but the majority of the rainfall is moving out by around midnight. Now, heading into Sunday, we're looking at some beautiful temperatures as we're starting out in the 60s. Winds will shift to the north, and that is going to keep temperatures below average during the day and push out any leftover rainfall. So it's going to be gorgeous to get outside, and that weather is going to continue into next week. Here's the rain tracker. Most areas will end up around 1 to 2 inches, especially north of I-70 with that first round. The second round into Saturday night could produce up to 1 inch to 1.5 inches, depending on how long those storms stick around. And then by Sunday, we're clearing things out. Temperatures will be falling into the mid-80s for highs. And again, the humidity is going to be much lower. So it's more comfortable heading into next week as dew points will stay right around 60 degrees. It's going to be very, very nice. Temperatures stay below average for the entire week. It looks like we're not going to see much rain, at least until Friday or next weekend.